guys, so it is Saturday. We just went to the beach yesterday, so it's the next day from my last vlog. I figured that I would vlog today and tomorrow. There's really nothing to see today, but I thought I'd go ahead and do like the intro. So tomorrow we're gonna be going to the lake, and I might vlog some of that.
Like, wow.
Hey guys!
I'll see y'all later.
So, I know yesterday. Can y'all be quiet? I'm trying to vlog.
Sorry.
It's okay. So
Awesome.
Kennedy? I know yesterday I told y'all that I was gonna vlog, and then I never did because I like totally forgot. But we just left the lake. It's Faith and Grace and Kennedy
And this weirdo.
and Tracy. Yeah, we were headed to Dairy Queen
What I like about Texas.
with Ty, Trace, Emily, Caden, and JR. And we're ready to have a great time. So I will update y'all when we get there, even though they're gonna roast me. So, mwah.
I won't.
I'll see y'all later. So, woo!
So weirdo.
Hey guys,
Let's tell them what we got. So, I got the Oreo Blizzard.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Reese's Pieces.
What'd you get?
Cotton candy.
What'd you get?
Intense clinical depression.
Sarah, what'd you get?
Cotton candy.
So, I'll catch you on the flip side. So, it is Monday, the day after. Once again, I forgot to vlog. So, I figured I would sign off. So, hit the big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Peace.